Hey everybody, I got these bunny stickers. They come in this cool little box. I did order them for Easter, but they kind of got a little lost along the way. But that's okay. So it's full of bunnies. There's a couple kitty stickers in here. So these cool little bunnies. Some of them have 2 of each. So aren't they pretty bunnies? Look at that one. That's really pretty. Rabbits. So these are rabbit stickers. Show you a few more. Look at that little cute little bunnies. So yeah, so these for Easter, so I'm going to save them for next year. Also, I got these. Now there's 100 of them. I didn't count them all. It's not I didn't want to count them all. Let's see, they're little wooden ladybugs. And they got, they're sticky on the back. So I got these for my pocket letters. I've used some of them, so I thought I'd better film this before I use them all. So they're made out of wood, the little wooden ladybugs. So I thought those were cute. I think you can get a pack of multicolored, but I like the red ones. Also, I found these. I thought they were just pretty. Get to focus. Look at that. Aren't those pretty? Of course, they're cubic zirconia, but I thought that was just so pretty. Show the second one here. So yeah, aren't they pretty? I like this jewelry seller. I bought quite a few things from them. Thought they were just pretty. And they're on sale, so even better. So yeah, got those cool earrings. So shiny the camera doesn't focus. But yeah, those are pretty. And then I got these die cuts. Look at this. It's a monkey. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. It cuts really well. Got a monkey. And a bear. Oh, this is from the same seller. So they came together. They came together. And then I got a little piglet. I have ordered Winnie the Pooh. So hopefully he shows up. But yeah. It was 2 different sellers, Piglet and Winnie the Pooh, which is, I couldn't find Winnie the Pooh was from the same seller. So yeah, so I got those 3 die cuts. Got the earrings. Got the ladybugs. Got the bunny stickers. Bunny and kitty stickers. And let's see. I kind of moved these and got them all tangled a little bit. But look at all this ribbon. Look at all this ribbon. I use all this for my pocket letters. So I picked, this ribbon goes by 10 yards. 10 yards of ribbon. And you pick your color. So I picked purple and blue. So it was just 2 separate packages, which are now mixed into one. But you get a bunch of different thicknesses. Look at that. Purple polka dots. This one's got butterflies. See? Almost like a giraffe print, but blue. Blue polka dots. I thought these were cool. Look at that. Look at that one for Halloween. Isn't that awesome? And there's Christmas ones. Merry Christmas, normal everyday blue ribbon. Look at these trees. Like, yeah, they're super cool. So I got Christmas, I got a Halloween. These are Valentine's Day with the hearts on them. See, there's more Christmas. And they're all tangled. I had them all straightened out, but then, yeah. Messed it up, but oh well. See, there's blue dots, purple dots. Look at that, blue zebra stripe. See, that's sweet candy. So that says sweet candy on there. So that could be for Easter. So yes, they come in blue, purple, like a yellow, orange pack, black and white. So yeah, there's a bunch of different colors. You just basically choose your color. So that's cool. So yeah, this is ribbon. This is 2 packs of ribbon. So 20 yards of ribbon total. So yeah. So that is my Aliexpress haul for today. I ordered a whole bunch more stuff. But yeah. So yeah. There it is. Ribbon and die cuts and earrings and ladybugs and stickers. Trying to think what else I ordered. But yeah, so that's my haul for today. Later.